Launching your Facebook ad campaigns just got a lot easier. SendinBlue now lets you create ads, choose an audience, and manage your budget directly from your account. First, connect the Facebook page you want to advertise on with SendinBlue using the secure login connection. Then, name your campaign and move on to the next step. Type your ad copy, and don't forget to make sure that your ad text matches your visual. Check out Facebook's ad guidelines for more best practices. It's important to note that Facebook doesn't allow you to use text that takes up more than 20% of Throughout the process, you can see how your ad will look and where each of the elements fits in our ad preview. This makes it super easy to visualize how users will see your ad. In the next step, you need to define your target audience. You can choose to serve your ads only to the contacts in your list, or for lists of more than 500 contacts, you can target people who are similar to your contacts using Facebook's lookalike audience view. Finally, set the time frame and budget for your ad campaign. Before pushing your ad live, you'll get one final preview to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Then you can submit and pay. Quick tip, make sure your Facebook campaign is visually engaging with content that's relevant and adds value, while also having a clear call to action for the user.